All right, so here's another question where we have to use the general term formula to find a specific term in a binomial expansion. So I took this question from an actual diploma here. In this question, we want to find in the expansion 3a plus b squared all to the power of 10, what is the coefficient of the term containing a to the power of 4 b to the power 12. So this is considered a standard of excellence question because of the level of difficulty. So once again, the general term formula on the formula sheet is t k plus 1 is equal to n choose k, x to the power of n minus k, y to the power of k. So before we plug things in, we need to find out what are the values for n, k, x, and y. So for n, that is just the binomial expansion exponent, and we are expanding up to 10. For x, that's going to be the first term in the binomial, which is 3a. For y, that's the second term, which is b squared. And now for k, now we don't know what term number we're trying to find here. We're just trying to find a coefficient of this term. So we don't know what k is, but let's plug things in and see, just by observation what k could be. So we have k plus 1 is equal to n choose k, which is 10 choose k. X is 3a, so notice I'm putting the brackets again, which is all to a power of 10 minus k. Y is b squared. Okay, and we're raising it to a power of k, which we don't know yet. Now, just by observation here, we need to figure out what is k going to be. And so to find out what k is, remember what we're trying to find. We're trying to find the term containing a to the power of 4 and b 12. So we want to create a power of 4 on the a term. So right now the power on a is 10 minus k. So to get 4, k must be equal to 6. All right, and you can say the same thing for the b as well. Remember, we want a power of 12 on the b. Right now it's 2 to the power of k. The only number that fits in there is 6. So let's go ahead and plug in that k value. So k is equal to 6 plus 1. So as you can see here, we're actually trying to find the seventh term here. 10 choose 6. 3a all to the power of 10 minus 6, which gives you 4. All right, and then we have b squared to the power of k, which is just 6. So from here, we just go ahead and simplify and determine the coefficient that way. So term 7 is equal to 10 choose 6, which is 210. 3a to the power of 4. Remember that 4 applies to both numbers here. So 3 to the power of 4 gives you 81, and then a to the power of 4 is the variable. B squared to the power of 6, that gives you b to the power of 12. I can see we're almost there. So term 7 is therefore equal to 210 times 81, which gives you 17,010. Okay, so there's our coefficient, and of course our variables are a to the power 4 and b to the power 12, which is what we wanted. So therefore my answer is going to be 17010.